Presenting the 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Passenger airbag, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.